Hello friends, so how are you? Today I am going to show you a game of 13-year-old girl. You will be shocked to see the end game of this girl. She is not a child, her brain is very fast, her thinking is too professional like. You can see that the opening of her is very strange and the opponent is under pressure in the beginning that what to move. The opening is not normal and the opponent is moving queen. First he has taken out and right now he's again moving the queen without taking any support of any other piece. So after that he has taken out the knight, so they are clashing knight. Now he has taken the knight with the queen. Now let's see what black will move. Please friends, like this video, share this video, also do comment on this video what you are thinking about this game. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and help us and motivate us. So the white is getting more attractive and aggressive, we can say, in the match. Now black is giving a very good defense, so he has taken a pawn. Okay, he has given a check by the queen by taking one pawn. So white is pawn up here, you can see. What black will do, let's see. Okay, so he has taken out the knight and defend the check. White is more aggressive right now, his attack is very perfect, but the thing is that he has only two pieces out and the rest of the four pieces are in the first row, they are not inside the game. So white has clashed the queen and bishop both and black has broken the castling. Let's see what is going to be happen. So black has taken the king at the right corner, you can say towards the h file. So now white has taken all the pieces in the middle of the game. Okay, black is getting more aggressive, he has taken the knight. So let's check. Okay, so black has won one piece here, you can see. Black got a piece up. Very good move by a 13-year-old girl. Now white is under pressure, he has two rook on the same file and the black pawns are getting towards the first file. The white rook has come inside the sixth file. He is going inside the black file so that he can take more pawns and put some pressure on the black. But it is not easy for white to make pressure right now because he is a piece down. He is piece down right now. So he has taken a pawn. So black has also taken one pawn of a file. H file. Okay, so he has taken the file h file. Sorry, h file. It is h file. Oh, so white has taken both the rook in the same file. Not no. In the 7th file and in the 6th file. Trying to do mate if the black is going to remove rook from the 8th file. So black is putting more pressure on the white by giving attack through knight. Both the rooks are in the same file right now at the 7th file. It is really very dangerous for black to save. Let's see what black will do. Both the rooks are in the same file, that is really very dangerous, and at the 7th file. Okay, so he has defend the pawn with the knight, but white is going to remove that knight by pushing the pawn, I think so. Yeah, he has pushed the pawn and removed the knight from that defense. Let's see what is going to be happen. Okay, so he has given the attack on the rook. Oh, what is this? Okay, he has given a check. If he is going to, okay, yeah, he has got a very perfect position. Now black has got the very perfect position. What white is trying to do, he should give attack on knight with the help of rook, but what he is doing, he is still making some pressure on the black, I think so, but he is piece down, so I don't think so it is possible for white to win from here because already knight is defending all the boxes. You cannot give check Yeah, you can take the pawn of a file, but even then, let's see. No, no, don't take the pawn, otherwise your knight is going to get over from the game, out of the game. Okay, so he has given a check. No, why you have moved there? Again he's going to give check here, so again one more check, I think so. What, yeah, one more check over here. So let's see what white is going to do. Okay, he's going to make draw match, I think so. Check, one more check. Are they going to repeat the moves and going to get draw? Let's see what will happen, what white is going to do by losing one piece or by downing one piece. But he is 3 pawn up, so maybe he's not going to draw this match by repeating the same moves, because he knows that he is going to make a queen, maybe, who knows. Check here. So what? Okay, yeah, that is very good move. That is really very good move. That now you cannot give check. Your rooks are, you have to remove your rook, otherwise maybe in 2 or 3 moves your rook is going to get out of the game, maybe, I'm not sure. What is this? Huh? Okay, wow, what a move. Black is directly going to make a mate by sacrificing knight, but white has saved it. That is good. White has saved it. Now black has taken the second rook into the game. That is good. Okay, so black is going to make attack on the white rook with the help of knight. 13-year-old girl is giving a very good attack as well as a defense. You can see the end game is really very good. It is really very impressive, the moves she is making on the board. That is really very impressive moves. You can see it. The white is totally out of the mind, what to move, what to do, how to make queen, how to make game equal. He is 3 pawn up, even then he is not doing anything. Oh ho, what a big blunder made by white. Oh ho. So he is going to make queen. He's going to make queen. He's going to make queen. Oh ho, what a big blunder. What a big blunder made by 13-year-old girl. She can save the queen as well as the rook also, but she has done a mistake. Let's see what she's going to do next. Okay, white is also doing a lots of mistakes. The white is running out of time. He has only 11 seconds, 12 seconds, and black has 56 seconds on the clock. You can see. What is this? What move they are making? Oh, what is this? Okay, white is also trying to make queen. Okay, got it. White is also trying to make queen. This is very normal. Maybe black is going to make her queen if white is going to do blunder again, but it is not so easy because white has also one rook, one pawn. Pawn is also going to become queen very soon, maybe. Let's see. So again and again white is giving check. Oh, this is an illegal move. This is an illegal move, and the 13-year-old girl